Got you. Okay, so let's revisit homework, folks, and let's rename it and think about it as home practice.
Practice.
It doesn't,
5 minutes per grade level. So, yes, when we were in fifth grade, they were spending 30 minutes a night. Spelling homework, math review. Look on Shay's page. You're going to see something called the Fast Five. That's what we did. 5 problems of practice every night, Monday through Thursday, never Friday or vacations,
yeah.
because that's supposed to be their downtime.
So when you sit down, you think about homework the next time, and you're going to discuss it with some parents who may be not as happy about it as they
They've
could
had negative
be.
experiences, maybe.
Take a look at it and explain to them, no, this is home practice, and this is something that will help your child in the long run. We just wanted to pop in quickly and share that. We went into it in a little more detail. You can find that on my YouTube channel at Shay's Classroom if you want to know more. If not, enjoy your day.
Happy year.